Dito naman tayo sa related rates. Ano ba yung related rates? Related rates natin is how different quantities change with respect to time when those quantities are mathematically connected. In real life situation, when one variable changes, another related variable often changes as well. Calculus allows to analyze these changes. Ito yung dh over dr, dh over dt, ito yung change of height, for the word problem, water is being poured into an inverted conical tank at a constant rate of 3 cubic feet per minute. The tank has a height of 12 feet and a radius of 6 feet at the top. At the moment when the water depth is 4 feet, how fast is the radius of the water surface is increasing? Sa illustration ng ating cone, ito yung atin, kanyang radius is 6 feet, kanyang height is 12 feet, yung taas ng tubig is 4 feet. And yung bilis ng pagtaas ng tubig natin is 15 feet cubic per minute. And so sa ating ating formula natin na gagamitin, 1 over 3 pi radius squared height. For step 2 natin, use similar triangles to relate radius. Is the water form a smaller cone inside the tank? The radius the height are equal. Yung ganito natin, step 2, r over h 6 over 12 is equals to 1 over 2 kasi nakanan siya, simplify. So yung r natin, meron tayong radius na 1/2 height. For step 3 natin, substitute natin to the volume formula. So v is equals to 1/3 pi 1/2 height squared height, volume is equals to pi over 12 height cube. For step 4, differentiate with respect to time. dv over dt is equals to pi 12 multiplied by 3h squared dh over dt. For our step 5, substitute the given values. So meron tayong 3, yun sa natin, 3 equals to pi over 4 multiplied by 4 squared dh over dt, and 3 over 4 pi 4h over dt, and this dh over dt is equals to 3 over 4 pi. And for step 6, find natin yung rate na change of the radius. dr over dt is equals to 1 over dh over dt. Since ito yung natin ito yung radius natin, ganyan natin siya, radius dr over dt is equals to 1/2 multiplied by 3 over 4 pi, tapos equals niya is 3 over 8 pi. So ang final answer natin is dr over dt is equals to 3 over 8 pi. Conclusion natin is related rates problem help us understand how changing quantities are connected in real life situation. By using geometry algebra derivatives with respect to time, we can determine unknown rates based on known ones. The cone example demonstrates how similar triangles and equation work together to solve practical problems involving flowing liquids.